how to manage risk like a pro trader. Welcome to Qsigma, guys. This is the most requested video for Qsigma money management. So without wasting our time, let's begin the video. What is risk management in Forex trading? Answer is very simple. Everybody knows about that. Simply, risk management is the process of analyzing and identifying of uncertainty in our trading decisions, and we should know why we should manage the risk, because forex market consists of unexpected risk. No one can 100% predict, because forex market is a jungle landscape. We don't know what sort of animals are there, we don't know what sort of traps are there, we don't know what will come next. We need to survive in this jungle landscape in order to achieve our profits. So we need to manage our risk. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get our notifications first. So guys, before we start, there are a few things that we should know. First is, select your portfolio for this week. This is really important, and we have done a video with regarding this, and maximum risk should be 2%. We're going to talk about this one as well. And enter into the trade only when system indicates. This helps you to control all the mental facts, psychological facts. And stop loss, placing stop loss at 30 pips. And there are two ways to exit trades. One is wait for the system to indicate the exit, or you can wait for price to reach R2, R3, or S2 or S3. We are going to talk about this as well, and I personally prefer to wait for the system to indicate the exit. And the most important thing is break even in the trades if it is more than 30 pips. So guys, let's go and see how it happens. Thing is selecting your portfolio. So let's say that we have selected these 4 pairs as our portfolio, but if you might be thinking, why should I do a portfolio selection? Just, we have put the link below, just go and watch the video, and I'll just tell you one advantage of selecting portfolio. Just let's say that Euro USD is at minus $100, and by the end of the month USD gives you just minus 100, but let's say USD JPY is the most profitable pair for the month and it gives you plus $500. It means this automatically get recovers. That is one of the advantage of selecting portfolio. And try to avoid selecting correlation pairs. I cannot say do not select, but try your maximum not to select. And guys, next we come to the 2% story. What is this story? It means your maximum risk should be 2%. It means if you are trading all these 4 pairs, you can allocate 0.5% from each pair. You can trade on all 4 pairs if you allocate 0.5% from your account. And if you are trading only these 2 pairs, you can allocate 1% from each. Even though if you trade 10 pairs, you can allocate just 2%. Let's say that you are trading on 10 pairs, you have allocated 2%. It means if you lost all these 10 trades, you will be losing only 2% from your account. Still you have 98% of yourselves to recover. If you have money in your hand, you can play this game. How about if you allocate 50% of your account, you just have 50% remaining to recover yourself. So it is really hard. So that is the reason why we are asking you all to stick into 2%. Okay guys, and when it comes to entry, system asks you to entry, you can enter into the trade. So it is easy, right? You can get whatever the push notification or whatever you want. You can watch the phone, notification comes to the phone, you can enter anyway. And there are two ways to exit. One is wait for the price to reach R1 or S1 or R2 or S2, then exit. Or else you can exit when system asks you to exit. So I personally prefer to exit when system asks me to exit. It is easy for me because it also comes by an alert. And the next important thing is the placement of stop loss. So we are placing our stop loss at 30 pips. It means, let's say that we are trading on all these, let's say not on all these, so make it for us too easy. Let's say that we are trading on Euro USD and GBP USD. It means I can allocate 1% for this account, for this pair, and 1% for GBP as well. So it means this 30 pips should equal to 1%. So it means, for make it as for easy to calculate, we say that this is a $300 account USD. So it means 1% is equals to 30 USD. It means your risk is at 30 USD. If you lost 30 pips, you'll be losing $30, and still you would have $2,970 for you to recover yourself. Hope you clear with that. So guys, it depends on your account size. So depending on your account size, you need to calculate your risk, and according to that risk, you need to select your lot sizes. Okay guys, and the next important thing is BE, break even in the trades. So let's say we have entered into this trade and we have allocate 1%, and we have entered into this trade, we have allocate 1%. Okay guys, let's say that from here to here we have 50 pips as an example. Okay guys, and we get this trade as well. Can we enter into this trade? No, because we have already allocated 2% from our account. If you have allocated just 0.5%, then you can enter, but we have allocated 1% from our account, then you cannot enter into the trade. But let's say that you have, where we get the, okay, here you enter into the trade, and here also you enter into the trade. You have allocated 1% from your account, and then let's see. Okay. Oops. Here to here it is 20, and okay, 36, 38. So it means when it comes to 30 pips, you can break even the trade. Here it is 30 pips, you can break even your trade by somewhere around here, somewhere around 5 pips or 10 pips. Okay guys, so after break even in this trade, it means you are risk free. You are risk free from this trade, and then if you want, if you like, you can enter into another trade somewhere around here. You can enter into this trade. If you want, you can enter into this trade because it is risk free. Let's say that you might be thinking, okay, what will happen if you are trading just, if you are just has selected just 2 pairs, what will happen? So it means, even though if you have selected 2 pairs, what will happen is, okay, you enter into this trade and you enter into this trade as well. Let's say you break even trade here, as an example, here to here, let's say that it is 30 pips, and you break even the trade somewhere on here, and you can enter into this trade as well, as you are risk free. Okay guys, let's imagine that as we are trading only on 2 pairs, we allocate 1%. Once we break even this trade, we are free from this, then you can enter into another trade. Okay guys, it means you are actively risk should be 2%. If you are free from that, you can enter into trades. Okay, hope you clear with what I have said up to now. Okay guys, this is regarding the money management that we have set for Qsigma. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in our next video. See you guys.